Myntri Tnad Pule-Puthi ke jela rakam Sangma ne kesngi Leit ban Jurip ya ke Captain Williamson Sangma State University ke badang syudap pli thamai ha Balal Grey South West Garo Hills. Kani ke jing Jurip ke long shibenta jong ke jing let jingok balai sngi jong ke kendhun ke Meghalaya State Education Commission ya ke rilum Garo. Haringkat ke jing temu ban khmi benia ya ke jing long jingman ke Pule-Puthi hapo ke than. Ya kini ke jing persyang layak syakmat ban pentikna bagi Captain Williamson Sangma State University ke labiang lut nadong syadong ban penbiang ya ke Pule-Puthi ke bapaka Syaki Samla Pule.
You've got a lot of natural resources, you've got a lot of potential where students can develop their personality and also develop themselves and become good citizens for our state. So we need to build a strong community, and this university has an important role to play in building a strong community. And we should also focus on quality education. This is very important. So the officers of this university should be able to cater to courses which will help our students to be able to, to fend for themselves. It should be able to cater to the needs of the society.
Namar kajing yap jong khat sangut ki brieu na kajing pang